Action.
Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure by now thousands, maybe even millions have ordered the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. I've linked below my review of this product. I think, especially during the specials, this is got to be the best value earbuds, especially with the noise cancelling, out today. So I'm going to show you a few tips, tricks, and if you learn one thing from this video, please subscribe, because it's now been proven 98% of my subscribers are more intelligent than the average YouTube viewer. I made that up, but who knows? Whatever, can't help. Subscribe, you get the message. Makes a big difference. First thing, these are one of the very first earbuds that I believe work with Google's, I call it Smart Connect or Quick Connect. And let me show you what I mean. This only would work on an Android phone, but it definitely works on the newer Android phones, especially the Samsung. So I'll show you the same time as I open this. If I press that, open, after a second, you'll get this notification. Okay? Now what that means, and I'll just go, once you do it once, you don't need that to come up anymore. But what that means now, if you so choose to use it, it will track your earbuds, or if you ever lose them anywhere in the world. So just go to your Google account, go to devices, and you'll see it added there automatically. Great feature. So if you knew about that, great feature though. Next, earbuds. Some people have said they've taken a long time to change the earbuds. Let me just show you. This, we're going to go real close. I'm going to take this off. But you will notice these are not round at that end, and nor are these. And don't forget, you don't have to do it too many times, because you only have to do this at the beginning when you get the air fit. So just choose when they're elongated down, elongated here, put them together and press a little bit and give a little twist, make sure they're in, and you'll see it's a perfect fit all the way around. That's it. Second, I think one of the easiest air tips to change I found. Next tip. Okay, here's one that I will open the app to show you this, and we will go to Soundcore App, connected. Okay. This is being filmed on my Samsung S23 Ultra, but this is the Note 20, I believe, this one. Obviously, you know by now all the main features of what the app does. It's an incredible app. But if not, just look at my full review of the product below. And this will apply to a lot of the Soundcore products, especially the newer ones if they have the app. But here, what is very, very important, and let me move that out of the way. You go to settings, and it's very, very important, highly recommended, that you use the fit test. Then, okay, once you do that, because if you don't get a perfect fit, the active noise cancellation is not going to work so well. All the other features will not work as well. And of course, you're not going to get the great sound. And that's what all this is about. Okay, so do that, really do that, make sure you do. Then we have, obviously, check your firmware, find device. That's not the same as the Google one. That just finds it locally and it makes a noise through the speaker. Do not wear them when you mess around with that. But the other thing I want to show you here is, if I go back to here, very, very important, is here, which you have not probably seen. Included for free, you have this called white noise. Listen now, and basically, let me go for do it yourself. You can combine different effects. Oh, it's downloading the effects. Free. So you've got all these white noise effects built into the app, plays through the speaker, or of course through the headphones for meditation, relaxing, nature sounds. The other thing that's worth doing here is, this is just a lot of fun, just thought I'd throw this in case you hadn't seen it. is the picture of the glasses at the top. Bit difficult to film this, but here we go. Add that. Oh, that's my girlfriend there now. But if I turn the camera to me, you can see I'm not actually wearing these glasses, but I believe Soundcore sell these glasses that have the built-in speakers at the back. I have not used these. You can also take a photograph. You can go on a different size. You can change the type of glasses. And just to prove you I'm not wearing those, if I put my hand in front of the camera, you'll see, you'll see it just instantly just takes a few seconds to come back. So this is AR, VR shopping. Very, very neat. Actually, I think they look pretty good. I don't know if the lenses adjust. If there's enough interest in these, I'll buy some and do a review on these. Actually, pretty neat. And there's a lot more, look. Oh, I'm not sure about that one. So I wanted to share that with you. In the app, safe volume is very, very important. And when you listen to music, at the bottom, it's going to show you what volume you're playing at. So then, once it gets to a level you think that's the maximum you ever want sounds to be, that's when you limit your volume. Okay? Very, very important. So for your safety of your own ears. Another feature there was the... now, this is the other thing I was going to mention. Hear ID sound. So you've done the ear test. It does a sound test, a hearing test as well. But I highly recommend you do this one as well, called Hear ID sound. And what it will do, it will basically give you a test of, not a test actually, it's going to play the same song and you have to choose A or B, which ones you prefer. And it keeps on doing it, maybe 10 different choices as it goes along. And then you press set. So in other words, that to you is the most pleasing tones. Then you can apply that to its built-in equalizer. So you get a different view of their built-in equalizers and you apply your hearing and your preferences to the built-in ones. It makes a major difference, a major difference. Oh, other tip is when you take them in and out of your ears, hold them by the stem, like so. That way you will not mess around and press the buttons by accident. Take them out using the stem here and not here, because all the touch controls are in this little area here. Okay? Was it? And yeah, I think that covers everything about these. I think they're brilliant for value for money. I really do. As I mentioned, I'm not getting paid, no referral fees, no commissions. If you order these, I don't get a penny. I just think I've tested over 30 different earbuds in the last few months. This gets my real seal of approval. And it's one of those that sounds too good to be true. Notice the pun, sounds too good to be true. But it really is. It's great value, fantastic product. Full review in the link below. Enjoy. Please share this with your friends, especially if you know anyone that's bought these. And a lot of these tips will apply to a lot of their other earbuds, but not all the earbuds come with those features. This is feature packed out and more. Thanks again for tuning in.